Hello everybody, good morning. Welcome back to this week video. If you guys new here, my name is Jonathan. So today video we're going to check out the Cherry Blossom Festival. I don't know if the festival actually happening today. I just know that the Cherry Blossom Festival they running from the end of March until middle of April. Around this time, a lot of tourists and a lot of people visiting DC for this festival. Last time that I went was 6 or 7 years ago. It was a long time ago, and you know, I live in Arlington, Virginia. I'm not far from DC, so I just don't know. I haven't been back since this last time that I went. It was a lot of people. I went around in the afternoon time. I woke up a little bit early today, so we're gonna check it out in the morning to avoid the crowds and to avoid a lot of people. Usually at this time, a lot of tourists, a lot of visitors visit DC for this festival. Beautiful out today too. It's in the 60 to 67 today. I think it's gonna be a lot of people out today. If you guys want to know a little bit more about this cherry blossom in DC, I'm gonna put a link down in my description. The website is very useful and helpful. They have some guides and tips. They also doing update every day. What's going on? Sometimes it's raining really hard. They will update for you if the rain is affecting the festival. If you want to check it out, I'm gonna put the link down in the description. Before I do that, I'm gonna hit the gym real quick, and then we're gonna come back, shower, and then we're gonna check the cherry blossom out. So I actually just parked. We're gonna start going exploring. I see a lot of cars parked already. I think we can park here. I see a lot of people parking this side, so let's do it. So I'm here already, everybody. This is the crazy area. Not crazy, but everybody's here already. There's a lot of people. If it's like 60, 67, it's really nice outside, and it's a lot of winds. It's really windy.
It's night in the city, and I'm on my way back home. Humming on my favorite ditty, swinging like Natalie Cole. But then out of the blue, who strolls down the boulevard but you? Your place is closer than mine. Why don't we go there 'cause life is for living. Let's see where this all might lead. Breaking up in a
But we're gonna start from here. We're gonna go around
again on the street.
and then we just come back.
Within out of the blue, a wind starts blowing in ways so new. A world more exciting than mine is holding up a great big welcoming sign. Life is for living. Let's see where this all might lead.
The history of the cherry trees in DC is that this is a gift from people of Japan back in 1912. So this is why we're having this cherry trees. This is literally like annual thing, traditional thing for everybody here. Very beautiful.
It's night in the city, and I'm on my way back home. Humming on my favorite ditty, swinging like Natalie Cole. But then out of the blue, who strolls down the boulevard but you? Your place is closer than mine. Why don't we go there and have some more wine? 'Cause life is for living. Let's see where this all might lead. Let's see where this all might lead. Waking up to a brand new day in between your sheets. Breaking up in the best of ways, and I'm back again on the street. Ooh, but then out of the blue, a wind starts blowing in ways so new. A world more exciting than mine is holding up a great big welcoming sign. Life is for living. Let's see where this all might lead. But then out of the blue, strolls down the boulevard but you. Your place is closer than mine. Why don't we go there and have some more wine? 'Cause life is for living. Let's see where this all might lead.
It's very pretty.
Let's see where this all might
You guys know what? We're not gonna head back. We're gonna go over there. You see that? We're gonna go over there.
Passarinho na janela e o fusquinha na calçada, bicicleta amarela e o calor de madrugada são lembranças de nós dois. Vai você, eu vou depois. Deixa a porta aberta.
I don't know if you guys see me. I'm sitting in front of the monument, the pencil monument. Look, sitting in the right, really good spot. Look. So you see, there are a lot of kite flying. There actually is called the Kite Festival, a Cherry Blossom Festival and a Kite Festival. It happened at the same time. I think around in the evening or in the afternoon, a lot of people they come in this park, this area to do kite. And they also, I looked it up, and they also like the kite clubs too that you can join. It's very chill here, you know, the wind, the sun. I can sit here all day long. Yeah, actually a lot of people come here for picnics. They can just sitting around here, seeing people walking and just chilling, relaxing. You know, maybe I should come here more often when the summer comes. Can you believe? Like on July 4, everybody here. Like you see this spot, it's covered with everybody. Like there was no space. Can you believe this is huge? This is huge space. Very beautiful. So I'm gonna head back. We're gonna continue. We're gonna head back because I'm hungry, a little hungry. And a lot of people start coming in here, so I'm leaving. I'm a little hungry. We're gonna go get some food, maybe some coffee. The traffic is crazy now. I hope I can get out. It's beautiful today. It's like 67. I was wearing a sweater, but then I had to take it off because it's very hot. After walking 15 minutes, you don't want to wear anything. Just kidding. So yeah, so I just got in a car. It was definitely a lot of people coming in right now. It's around like 12:28 right now p.m. You can hear my voice that I'm a little tired. I'm breathing heavy. We're gonna go get some food, so let's go.
Passarinho na janela e o fusquinha na calçada, bicicleta amarela e o calor